Adam, you need to repeat that.
Hands on it, like.
I find some eggs under there.
We'll have to do that too.
What's this with Easter eggs, Adam?
Oh, no. I was just wondering if we were going to get Rex Humbard or one of the preachers to levitate it up.
That's the one.
Yeah, we'll do that. We're wilding today.
If you had magical powers to just zap it.
That would make my day really
That'd be no
easy,
fun,
Peter.
though.
I would
That'd be
just
no
be
fun.
like, I would just sit on the couch in my shop and drink beer and point at stuff.
Point. There you go. That.
Some days I just sit there and drink beer anyway and go, why am I here?
Because there's beer.
Yes. Chuck knows.
I thought you were working all day.
Today I did, kind of. I mean, moving all the cars and making sure coordinating the load up, that was a pain in the ass.
That's going pretty smoothly.
Yeah.
I sit around the house, smoke weed, watch cartoons,
Damn.
look for cars.
Okay, what cartoons did you watch?
Felix the Cat
Oh,
from
I like
1958.
Nice.
Some
Oh,
Looney-
Master Cylinder.
Yes.
a
wonderful cat.
wonderful Looney Tunes with Gossamer the Monster, who got his nails done.
Oh, I love that.
Gossamer's awesome.
Monsters are such interesting people.
And they said the Bugs wasn't gay. We knew Bugs was, I knew Bugs was gay when I was 6 years old.
Is gay? I didn't know that.
Oh, come on.
Bugs Bunny,
Think about it. Think about it.
he's
Who
sitting
plants-
around the pool talking to Hedda Hopper with his hair and nails done.
Right. And who is the guy?
Always dressing up and kissing another man.
Yes, Elmer Fudd. He plants one on Elmer.
And Yosemite Sam. And he's always dressing up. Look at the Tasmanian Devil when he becomes a female Tasmanian Devil. No. Bugs is as queer as a $3 bill. You know, growing up, he and Paul Lynde were about it for me.
Oh man, this is funny.
It's true. You didn't know that?
I never thought about it until that, but damn it. You're right.
And what's
My childhood was a sham.
what's really fucked up is I watched a lot of CBS sitcoms.
Are you taping on this?
Yeah, actually, because we're pulling a motor.
Are you taping it?
It records digitally now, Peter. There's no tape in here. Would you like me to hold on? I'm gonna rewind it.
Please be kind. Rewind.
It moved.
Hey,
Hallelujah.
Holy
Chuck.
cow.
Chuck, are we about to pull out?
Should we say thanks?
It's gonna make a mess.
It could.
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing. It's gonna make a mess. Nothing.
What?
Sticky.
Got some chili
I don't know.
Moist.
Moist.
We're
The
we
word
might
of the
see
day.
we might see some tranny food.
Yeah. What?
Oh, that poor tranny.
We're pulling out
Chain is
of.
kind of caught there. Do you want to straighten it out?
No.
No, we're good.
It's okay.
Okay, so we're off the mount. We're off the exhaust has disconnected. So I think we're okay. We're up. I tried to get the balance about right.
Cause you got that tranny
Got the
back
car
there.
going up.
Car's going up now?
Almost. Let me look at the stands.
You're on here.
We're on the stand still.
Maybe it's a spring. Lisa?
You're gonna probably wanna, if you can, pull it forward a little bit.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, ho! Look at that shit.
Oh, God.
Okay, we're forward a little bit.
Allie, just climb on the fender.
Does this need to be?
Is everything disconnected? This is where you double check to make sure everything's disconnected.
This is where you test the tensile strength of things.
Cables.
Yes.
This looks connected.
Is it?
The heater flapper cables on Volkswagen
Let's
Beetles.
see
we still
what's,
have the
what that is.
platform we all-
What is that?
Okay.
Oh, it's disconnected. It's not connected.
I'm keeping my work at Chevy dealers, so if anything goes significantly wrong, because he had his face removed,
There we go.
Yeah.
I get a paper trail.
We're leaking.
That's good.
I
Okay,
understand.
somebody grab that dirt pan that's over there and we'll slide it underneath this thing.
Get the pen. Is it? Are we? The tranny is leaking because we pulled out.
Pretty
That
much.
poor tranny. You know, she's had a hard time. Everybody's making fun of her anymore.
Okay, that's good.
One of my best friends from elementary school's daughter is transgender. And I have a hard time not saying tranny.
Pan. All right.
Can we?
Picking in these anymore.
No, can't do
They
that.
moved up to darkening in my book.
This should come off, I think.
You can't take core support out. It's gonna be a little.
There it goes.
It's got bolts on it.
It's gonna be all right. Cross members out. Get ready to get that motor up. There you go.
What?
I'm just watching it down here. You're good.
I know we're good. Okay, let's try and lift this thing a little bit more. Go ahead and crank on the jack.
You're getting close to the balancer.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Oh,
Keep going.
it's gonna bend it.
Yeah, we can straighten
We'll
it
push it back out. There you go. It's fine. Ice it, Chucks.
Fine.
There you go.
It's fine.
It's still good. It's still good. It's still good.
Okay,
Great.
it's great.
It's fine.
Well, it was great.
What about now? Still now we're hitting the bolt.
Still good.
Oh no!
Lower it.
No, we're gonna adjust it.
With like